Actually feels good. Okay. Hello everybody, welcome back to the Mbamba's channel, and this is Rosemary. Today we'll be reviewing this fan. Everything is written in Chinese, but I saw it and I wanted to give it a try. It's just a portable fan because I travel a lot, and especially outside the country. So let's see, I decided to bring one with me to my trip. This is like a mini portable fan that is I think they said it's telescopic, like you can adjust the stance. But anyway, let's just get right into it. So I'll see what it looks like. I literally just received it. Okay. Oh, it's pink color. Unique, huh? Okay, keep this aside. The reason I'm doing this review is I looked for something like this on YouTube. There's not a lot of videos on it because I would like to see, you know, how adjustable it is. You know, some of these non-branded products, I kind of get skeptical about them sometimes, and I try to see what they look like in real. So this is what it looks like. Oh, this is the cable. It's the regular Android charger cable, and that goes in here. Just sorry, right through. So I'll keep this aside first. I know sometimes I like it to charge stuff like this over how many hours. Oh, look at me. It says open right there, and then oh, it's just like the light I got this light, and this is exactly how the ring light for, you know, vlogging and filming and all that stuff. This is exactly how it is.
Minimum height is about 36 cm.
Okay, unscrew it. I don't know what. Oh, so just like the light, yeah. See, when you go counterclockwise, you can bend it, but when you go clockwise, it can't bend. So is there anything else I need to do here? Can I just pull it open? Is this how long it is? How many inches? Not bad. Actually not bad. This is its height.
It's about 100 centimeters tall.
See, it's like right on my waist, and I'm 5'4". 5'4". Yeah. Now I think it's rechargeable. How do you turn it on? Where do you turn it on? So it has a switch thingy here. So, and I pressed it once, nothing happened. Okay, I guess this is the control. It has 1, 2, 3, 4. So I guess when I pressed it the first time, it's on speed 1. Speed 2 is faster. Speed 3. It's just 3 speeds, and that is it. Oh, it turned off. Oh, it's actually really cool. Okay, so with the last one it's just speed 1, 2, 3, and this thing with the symbol. With this it fans for some time and then it stops, and then it fans and it stops, so intermittently, and then you can adjust it any way you want. I only bought one to see what it looks like, and then I can get others. I really like it. And then turn it off. So this is speed 1.
You can also tilt the head back and forth.
So let's say I'm standing here and I'm filming and this fan is blowing me. I like that you can actually put it down and use it as a desktop fan. And this should be about 120 to 240 volts, because it came from whatever country, probably China. So that's how long it is. So I'll go ahead and turn it off and charge it fully. I think this is the highest speed. Actually feels good. Okay, so we'll put it back down. Turn this counterclockwise, right? Oh, put all the way. And that is it. I'm gonna go ahead and order the second one, probably white or black, some other color, just so that I can gift it to someone. So that is it. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.